Laster like this. Running at 3, 2, 1, kay Laster, show the pattern, go. Okay. Sige, where's the 2 sets of pink? Here's the pattern. We need to copy this. 2 sets of pink. I-organize natin yung blocks dito sa box. Kailangan natin ng apat. Sige, lalagay natin dito, Bunso. Anong set? 2 sets of pink. Where's the 2 sets of pink? Here, Bunso. Malagay mo dito. Sige. Sige, Bunso. For our next pattern. Are you guys ready? Ready na kayo? Okay, for our next pattern, ready? And 3, 2, 1, kay Laster. Show the pattern, go. 2 sets of dark blue, 2 sets of yellow. Tingnan maigi yung pattern and color. Dark blue, yun na. Pakamalito mo ko yung Zark sa color. Dark blue yung nakuha natin. Dark blue. Yes, tama na. Sige, come on, ready? Come on, Bunso. Isang red. Tama ka, Bunso. Okay. Mali ang color ng green team. Tingnan maigi. Bunso, mali ang color ng green team. Pastor, Bunso. Pastor, yellow team. Okay, come on, ready? Okay. Next. Okay, last one. Ako, isa na lang gusto. That's okay, Ate Olivia. That's okay. Okay, ang points na napunta sa green team. So, total of 3 points ang green team, 0 points naman ang yellow team. Ate Kate and Kuya Irvan for our last round. Okay, sige, for our last round. Okay, for our last round, Ate Kate and Kuya Irvan, ready, and 3, 2, 1, Kuya Laster, show the pattern, go. Okay, 2 sets of pink, isang purple, 2 sets of dark blue. Tingnan maigi yung pattern ng third color. Sino kaya mas mauna this round? May kanya-kanya silang tickets kung paano mabuo yung pattern natin. Last 2. Okay, last na yan. Sige, ganito naman. Lahat ng yellow team, punta dito lahat ng yellow team. Sige, lahat naman ng green team, dito naman kayo lahat ng green team. For our last round, tulong-tulong naman kayo magbuo ng pattern. Sige, kung sino sa inyo dalawang mas mauna, siya ang team na panalo. Okay. Anong team po siya? Yellow? Lahat ng yellow team, come on, here. Lahat ng yellow, Ate Kate dito. Sige, sino kayong yellow? Si Olivia and Ate Sophie. Okay, for our last pattern. Okay, for our last round, pag nauna kayo, panalo kayo. Pero pag nauna ng yellow team ang panalo. Okay, pabilisan na ito, ha? Okay, ready? Kuya Laster. Okay, wala pa. Wala pang pattern. Green team, are you guys ready? Ready na kayo? Pababa